I want you to find your fraction circles, and I need you to use those fraction circles to find two ways that equal 1/3. So I know that if I have 3 browns, one of my 3 browns, one of my 3 is 1/3. Now I want to know what color is going to get the same size as my brown. So if I look through my colors, I know that if I find pink, 2 pinks will cover up my brown. But remember, we want our pink as our whole, and our whole pink is 6 pieces. So this is 2 of my 6 pieces is the same as 1 brown. So we know that 1/3 and 2/6 are the same. Now, what if I asked you the question about 1/4 and 2/8? So I know that 1 of 4, 4 is my bottom number, so that's how many pieces I need to be divided equally, and I'm only interested in 1 of the 4 pieces. And then I want to look at 2/8. And I know that my gray is divided into 8 pieces because my bottom number is 8, and that's how many pieces I need to be divided equally. So I have my gray. And I'm only interested in 2 of the 8 because I know that 2 of my 8 gray pieces is the same as 1 of my 4 blue pieces. So 1/4 and 2/8 are the same. Now I want to know, if you keep your blues and your grays, if I ask you how many 8ths equal 3/4. So what you want to do is you want to grab 3/4 from your blue circle, because you can have 3 of your 4 whole blue circle, and then you want to know how many grays is the same as this many blues. So if I start grabbing my grays and I start covering up my blues, I will find that 6 of my 8 pieces are the same as 3 of my 4 pieces. So if I fill this, it's a whole circle, and if I put these two, it's my whole circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grays, so 6 of my 8 is the same as 3 of my 4. Good job. And then, like I said on my to-do video, or what you need video, you will need to find this page. It's lesson 9, student page A. So then, when you go to lesson 9, student page A, you are going to practice fraction equivalence with our fraction circles. And remember, what does it mean for fractions to be equivalent? It means that they're the same. So it wants to know 1 yellow is the same or equivalent as how many blues. So if I grab 1 yellow and I throw it down on my paper, I'm going to grab blue, and anytime it mentions blue, just know that it's the dark blue, unless it says light blue. So anytime it mentions blue, it's dark blue. But it wants to know how many blues are my yellow. And I know that 2 blues, so I'm going to put 2 right there, because it's 1 yellow is 2 of my blues. And that's the same as 1 of 2 is the same as 2 of 4, because this whole blue circle would be 4 pieces. Now it wants to know 2 blues is the same as how many reds. So if you grab 2 blues, like this, then you grab your reds. You need to line up your reds on your blue. And it wants to know how many reds are the same as 2 blues. Then you'll know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 reds are the same as 2 blues. So you'll write it in the blank right here. And then it wants to know, remember our blue is 2 of 4, so we have 2/4 is the same as 3, 4, 5, 6 15ths. Wait, red's not 15. Hold on. Let's count our red pieces. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's the same as 6/12. So now what I need you to do is I need you to finish this paper and then take a picture of it and put it on Seesaw. Now you need to find Lesson 9 student page B. It should be blue at the top. The top says, the black circle is the unit or the whole. Use your fraction circles to determine if the following number sentences are true or false. Circle true if you think the two fractions are equivalent. Circle false if you think the two fractions are not equivalent. So this says 1/2 is the same as 4/6. So what you can do is you know that this is one of two, so you know you need 2 pieces for your whole, which is 2 yellow. Then you need 4 of 6, so you need to find what color is 6 pieces, and I know that pink is 6 pieces, so then I'm going to do my 1 of 2, and I need to know if it's the same as 4 of my 6 pieces. So I'm going to get 6 pieces because I know that's my whole, and I need 4 of them. So if I take away 2 and then I have 6, I need to know, is this the same size? No, the pink is much bigger. So I'm going to circle false, and you're going to do that for the rest of these. And then down here it says, use the fraction circles to find the missing numerator in each pair to make the number sentences equal. So it wants to know, is 1 of 2 the same as how many of 6? So 1 of 2 is the same, and I know that 6 is my whole because the bottom number, so I know I need 6 altogether. And then I need to find out how many of my 6 is the same as 1/2. So then I can start putting my pink on here, and I find out that 3 of my pinks are the same as 1 of my 2 yellows. So 3 of my 6 pinks are the same as 1 of my 2 yellows. And you're going to do that for the rest of your problems, and then you're going to upload this worksheet to Seesaw.